So you've come across a video on YouTube that says members only. Interesting, right? These aren't the kinds of videos that just sit around for anyone to tap on. There's a little more happening behind the curtain, and YouTube keeps that content reserved for people who unlock a few extra perks. Sometimes you'll notice a join button under a channel's name. Not every channel has it, but when it does appear, tapping it opens a menu with different membership tiers. Each tier usually comes with its own benefits, and once you join one, you'll start seeing content that wasn't visible before. That includes those mysterious members only videos, bonus posts, and sometimes exclusive live stream replays. But here's the thing, not everyone clicks that join button and not everyone gets access to those hidden uploads. Most viewers just see the regular public content, while members get a separate layer of videos, posts, and early releases that don't show up for everyone else on the homepage. It all depends on whether you've unlocked the membership level that the creator has set for that specific video. And if you're wondering why someone else sees behind the scenes clips, polls, or extra tabs that you don't, it could be a timing issue, a region setting, or simply that you're not signed in with the account that has the membership attached. YouTube only shows those perks to the account that purchased them. Long story short, there are levels to this YouTube experience. Some videos are open to everyone and others are only visible when you become part of the channel's membership. If you really want to watch those members only videos, joining the creator's channel is the official and only legitimate way to unlock them.